Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Polygon or MATIC today to try to figure out this epic crash and what really happened into the market that would allow this cryptocurrency to completely fall from the last video I did, which was on June the 9th. You guys can see that my price prediction went completely against me, and it was immediate. It wasn't like it took a couple of days for the price to go down. It happened that same day in Polygon. So this prediction that I produced, yeah, it wasn't right. It was all the way wrong because of what's been going on with the SEC suing Coinbase, the SEC suing Binance, and within those lawsuits stating that Polygon or MATIC is a security. And this scared a whole lot of people into the market. So much so that it completely has fallen. Polygon has. Now, do you think it's going to be sustained, the movement to the downside for Polygon? Because if that's the case, then we should not be expecting this market to trend higher for a while. Would you agree? Let's talk about it. So let me go ahead and get rid of this last price for this because it did not happen. I told you though that we needed to see Polygon's price hold 74 cents. We needed to see that. And the moment that you saw price in Polygon, which occurred on the same day of when we did the price prediction, you just said, all right, cool. This is a quick observation to tell us that we're on the wrong side of the trade. So yeah, because if you were to get out the market now in Polygon MATIC, you're down 25.67%. Okay, right there. So let's rearrange the chart because definitely this market in Polygon has fallen off a cliff. And one of the negative things that kind of lets us know that this weakness is going to be maintained is how price in Polygon was able to hold 75 cents, taking us all the way back to July 2022. So about a year, the market in Polygon was holding 75 cents. And as price in Polygon was continuing to drift lower and lower throughout 2023, we wanted to see the market to do just that again, to hold 75 cents. And obviously, that wasn't the case. So what we're going to do now is we're going to focus our attention on the levels below 75 cents. Okay, so this simply means that anything under this particular horizontal line now, we need to consider that there's more weight to MATIC being weaker. Okay. So let's go ahead and now our attention needs to be focused on this particular points over here. Okay, right around this vicinity here. Okay, because you can see where price currently is at 58.5 cents, that this is an area to which Polygon was able to hold support before it completely fell down again. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to change the time frames. And look at Polygon on the 2-day chart. And you guys can tell that right here on this 2-day price bar in Polygon, the market actually found some buyers. People thought that it was a very attractive price as price was doing this epic crash to come in and purchase some of this currency. But then you have this 2-day price bar right here. We didn't see the confirmation. The price didn't continue to go higher. It went back down on that 2-day price bar. Here's Polygon on the 3. Okay, here it is on the 5. Look at Polygon on the weekly chart so far. Here it is on the 2. And I've been telling people in my prior videos that I want to see the market in the cryptocurrencies on the 2 weeks and the 3 weekly time frame. You guys can see that we are already getting an indicator of weakness here on Polygon on the weekly chart. Scary. Now the market has already confirmed this area of support right here off of this 2-weekly price bar. So we can kind of say that this is where the initial stage of support is going to be for the buyers. They were willing to hold price in Polygon right there around 48.5, 49 cents. Okay. Here's Polygon on the 3 weeks. So you guys can even tell here on the 3 weeks, we're still getting that indicator of weakness right there. Okay. So let me go ahead and check this out on a different time frame. I want to look at this on an hourly chart. for Polygon, and currently we're not really seeing too much out this market. The only thing that we can say is that price is not necessarily bullish and it's not necessarily bearish. It's just merely trading as of right now. Like I said, it's trying to find itself out. It's trying to figure out, okay, who wants to take control of the market? Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? Which one wants to take control of this price? That's what the market's trying to figure out right now in Polygon. And usually when we have this, we just simply chill out. We simply relax, let the market work out all of the kinks, all of the issues until we figure out, okay, who's really trying to move the market? Because we're not here yet. Only thing we can say is that considering this epic crash in Polygon on June the 9th, that price is still weak. What we're waiting for here is, in fact, buyers to come into the market in Polygon. Now, when I look at this volume here on this daily, on this 15-hour chart right here, this tells us that the market in Polygon actually found some buyers. Okay, so if we break down that 15-hour chart, we should be able to see more strength on that chart. Okay, you see this? This is a Polygon 11-hour chart. Volume came through, the price closed off of the lows. You would expect price to continue to go higher, but then look at these 11-hour price bars though. Like, let's take a look. Is the market going higher? Right here? Nope. Is it going higher right now? On this last 11-hour price bar, we have 6 minutes left. Is it going higher though? So it tells me that even though they're attempting, I'm talking about the buyers, even though they're attempting to hold this price in Polygon, they're not really being successful. There's too many questions unanswered off of this price chart. So rather than me come in and give you all a price prediction in Polygon right now, we need to actually chill out, let the market come to us. And if there's not a play here, we don't participate. Because as of right now, the only thing that we can say in the market in Polygon as of now is that yes, price is weak. That's what it is. The current price action into the market in Polygon is weak. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hold this chart here. Right here in between these two lines until I get more days of us noticing buyers enter the market. That's when we'll come back in and drop a price prediction. But until that particular time, yeah, this market is weak. It's weak to stable. Now, what I mean by stable, I'm just simply talking about the market moving in between these two horizontal lines, 51 cents, all the way back up to like 73. Okay, but I can tell off of these days right here that buyers are trying to come in the market. Right here on this day, June the 10th, and then yesterday, June the 15th. These are the 2 days that lets me know that buyers are currently here. Now, they're not doing a fantastic job, which is why I'm telling you now, I'm going to give the market more opportunity to give us more information of these 2 days. If I continue to see buyers come into the market around 59 cents, 60 cents, no lower than 55, then I'll come back in and drop another price prediction, look for the market to go up. That's what I'm waiting to see. Now, it's your turn. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.